across 200 cities through a network of 1500 stalls, swearing by the core values of making technology affordable and accessible to all by focusing on key areas of ease of access, affordability, store ambience and technology assistance by experts. Reliance Digital's strong competitive advantage is Rescue, Specialized Service Support Division. Rescue is India's first and multi-product, multi-brand after-sales service available 365 days of the year, including Sundays. We'd like to take this opportunity to welcome all of you all. Mr. Pillai, may I request you please say a few words.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here. Somebody has set off the fire alarm. No.
अरे दादा क्या कर रहे हो? आज को दिखा रहे हो मेरे फ्रेंड। ये अभी कौन बोल रहा है?
Some alarm is buzzing, so
उसको रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं।
it will help us.
समझ रहे हो ना कौन बात कर रहे हैं? क्या हुआ?
सुनो ऑडियो बहुत कम आ रहा है। ठीक है। नहीं बहुत कम आ रहा है। साउंड के लिए ठीक नहीं है। सुनो ना इसका जो ये है ना, है ना?
I'm waiting for this alarm to go off.
ये देखो।
इसका तो मेरे कैमरे का सेटिंग कैमरा चेंज हो गया है। इसका ये सेटिंग देखो ना। ये जो है क्या है?
Somebody at the wonderful Reliance Digital Store can help us.
30 में बहुत कम आ रहा है। ठीक है। बहुत कम आ रहा है।
So, first things first, there are favorites and there are favorites. So I have to say I am unabashedly biased about Alia Bhatt. Alia is family to filmfare. You know, when you see children growing up, you feel a little old. But since I'm about 2 years younger to Alia, I'm still okay about it. But she's fantastic only because I just think I've seen a lot of actors come and within 2 years you see them, oh, I'm done with the entire routine. They get a little jaded, they get a little, but I see Alia on the ball, whether it's in terms of photo shoot, in terms of an interview, in terms of social media, she's all there. Like she says, what is it, FOMO, which I've used. She's always has this fear of missing out, so she's fantastic. And I've seen her from was it the first schedule where you did Radha on the dance floor? So for the first schedule I met her, I looked at her and I said, wow, a star is born. She was completely unself-conscious, so she's fantastic and I absolutely love her. And her completely different. But I have to say that I first met him when I didn't know the range that he was. And we did a photo shoot for Khoobsurat and he was all gentlemanly and sweet and all of that. And then I went back and I saw Zindagi Gulzar Hai and Humsafar, and boy, that story changed ever since. So thank you for gracing our cover again. And Fawad is a fantastic actor, and so far I think the movies have not done him justice. So I hope we'll see a lot of crying and a lot of subtext in his acting, which is fantastic. So thank you both of you for being on the Filmfare cover. May I now ask Alia to say a few words?
Yes. Alia, about your association with Filmfare, please.
No, as Jitesh said, Filmfare is like family to me. I feel very close, and I've said this time and again in every cover shoot that we're in a long-term relationship. So I hope that continues, and I hope Filmfare always thinks I'm as amazing as he does. And yeah, I mean, it's almost like mandatory to do a Filmfare cover at least once a year. Whether my film is releasing or it's not releasing, I have to do a cover for Filmfare, and it's always beautiful when the film is releasing because it's something to do with the film. And for the first time, I'm posing with Fawad on a cover. So that's also a first. So I like first because they're always very interesting and they're always very exciting. And this one is one of my favorite covers because we tried something different. We went to a completely weird and strange location just to get this film, so I really hope it's worth it.
Fawad, maybe kindly request you say a few words about your association with Filmfare. How was your experience?
My association with Filmfare is because of a lot of favoritism. I have from Mr. Pillai and the rest of the team as well. And they've been very kind always. I'm pretty thankful to think that I got my first award here in India as well. And did a cover for the most prestigious publication, then did another one. This is my third one. And it just gets better and better and better. So thank you for making me your favorite cookie.
Thank you. Mr. Pillai, how do you feel about this association with Reliance Digital? We are in this absolutely gorgeous store. What do you think of this?
Well, I'd like to thank Reliance for their continued support. Store feels, I think I'm going to buy some gadget. I won't tell you what, but I am definitely going to buy something. But thank you so much for your constant support and sponsoring us time and again at the cover launches and at the Filmfare Awards. So, great.
Alia, this is not your first time coming to Reliance Digital, and I'm sure your experience has always been great. So what do you think of the store?
This is the Juhu store I've come to. Last time we were at the other store. I like it because it's cool. You walk in and you see your trailer running on all the TVs. So अच्छा लगता है because you see a lot of yourself. So that's a nice location to at least do something related to your film.
Thank you. Fawad?
Well, I'll only say good things about Reliance Digital if they gift me something. The way I am. And not a fridge or a washing machine, but something that's cooler than that. No, it's a cool store. It's like a nice place. I've not really explored, so once the floor is, maybe might give it one.
Fantastic.
AC मिल जाता है. I want something that's cool, kind of like maybe some headphones.
One AC, please.
You need an AC?
We always need AC.
Well, I think we've reached the moment that all of us have been waiting for. Mr. Pillai, Alia and Fawad, we kindly request you to unveil the Filmfare cover. ask Pawan, Alia and Mr. Pillai, which is your favorite gadget?
My favorite gadget? It can be any electrical appliance, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. It's my PS4. Yeah, that's my favorite gadget. Me and my sons.
We can see a lot of people nodding their heads to that.
Sure, do you guys play video games? I don't know if you guys play video games. मेरी आवाज़ समझ तो आ रही है ना आप लोगों को? Or is it too muffled? नहीं? Hello? Can you guys hear me? समझ आ रही है? अच्छा, मैं बहुत बोरिंग बातें कर रहा हूँ इसका मतलब है।
No, they all stumped just looking at you.
So, चलो।
Alia, which is your favorite gadget?
My phone, hands down. Phone.
Fantastic.
Best in the world.
Phone. Members of the media, we're going to open the session for Q&A. So we have mics in the audience if you'd like to.
Can Filmfare sort of butt in and ask a few questions for our chat and all of that?
Sure, always.
So, I mean, Kapoor and Sons, great work and all of that. My question to you is, when they show it as a dysfunctional family and all of that. Do you see a lot of that in personal life? In the sense, have you seen families going through some situations like this? Is there something which has a resonance to real life when you act in a film like this?
Firstly, I won't use the word dysfunctional only because I don't want it to sound negative. Yes, there is I feel it is a modern day take on a family. Because we have an idea of a family कि family हमेशा हंस के खाना खाते हैं, हंस के बात करते हैं, हंस के everything. But that's not always the case, especially not at least in my family. So everybody's screaming and talking, we're always fighting. But then we're also, giving each other a lot of love and affection. So it is today's family in a way where you see a lot of love and laughter, but you also see a lot of conflict, which I think is the most important. The most important relationships in your life are with your family. So how can you not have conflict?
Have you ever been in a situation like that? I mean,
Does dysfunctional family?
that and also two brothers. I mean, I'm just going by the promos, okay? Falling in love with the same girl.
I've not had a chance to. I've not had the opportunity to fight with my siblings because both of them are sisters. So it'd be a very weird situation for any of us to be strangling each other. They can strangle me, I can strangle them back. So so I'm used to getting strangled, and I'm used to getting things thrown at me. But otherwise, no, I think it's been we had a little disciplined kind of upbringing. My father was a very strict person, but dead. And yeah, I can relate to things in the film. I think that to some extent everyone is somewhat dysfunctional, but I think dysfunction should not be taken in a very negative way. You would take it in a quirky way as well. Dysfunctional might produce something that's productive.
Tell me one thing both of you could relate to.
No, also one more thing I want to say is that this film is not a love triangle. I mean, there is interaction with both the boys, but they both are very gorgeous, and there is a girl, so there has to be some interaction. But apart from that, I don't think one can really say that the plot of the film is a love triangle. So that I want to just specify. Please, chap though, not a love triangle. What I could relate to, I think the normalness, Shakun, the way he writes, कि हम बैठ रहे बात कर रहे, just like very normal conversation, not like scene starts like this and then ends like this and then ends like this. Like there is just a normal graph, and we're talking about very normal things. There's not like a motivation, some revelation has to happen in each scene. And the way it just played out, you're not constantly sitting, moving around, and just the way he shot. It's a very normal conversational kind of film.
Relate to, I can relate to a certain amount of rebellion that actually is Arjun's character. And as a black sheep in my family, which he is in this family, I was the black sheep in my family, so I can completely relate to that. Every ounce of it, where you have so many complaints and so many regrets. That ye maine nahi kiya, wo nahi kiya, ye nahi kiya. So, that would be one of those things. Other than, I don't know. I also have a dog. They also have a dog. Stuff like that.
Any more, and we'll be revealing the plot of the film. So I leave the floor open to questions from the members of the media.
Right there.
आलिया इधर रितेश ईटी आपसे सवाल है कि अभी कुछ दिनों पहले एक मैगजीन पे आपके दोस्त सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा के साथ आप नजर आई थी, तो उस पे KRK ने कुछ कमेंट्स किए थे, तो हम आपसे रिएक्शन जानना चाहेंगे, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये मेरा रिएक्शन।
तो बोलिए।
मेरा चेहरा बहुत एक्सप्रेसिव है, मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आई नो हमारी फिल्म में गाना है बोलना, बट आई डोंट थिंक राइट नाउ आई वांट टू बोलना।
चलिए, त्योहार भी आ रहा है, होली का, तो होली किस तरह मनाएगा आलिया?
होली मुझे होली से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है। एज अ किड आई यूज्ड टू प्ले अ लॉट, बट कलर आई फील कि उसके इन पे एलर्जी होता है, तो आई डोंट सेलिब्रेट होली लाइक दैट। बट यूजुअली होली के दिन तो छुट्टियाँ होती थी, तो देन दैट यूज्ड टू बी वन मोमेंट वेयर यू कैन डू नथिंग एंड जस्ट हैंग आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स। तो वो आई थिंक आई चेरिश द मोस्ट। और ऑब्वियसली बहुत समोसे खाने का मन होता है, जलेबी खाने का मन होता है, सो दैट्स द डे एंड आई एंड ऑल। But I don't play Holi, but I would want to say to everybody who was playing Holi, please be very safe और दूसरों का ख्याल रखना। दूर से बलून फेंकोगे, कभी आग में लग सकता है, कभी कहाँ लग सकता है, so please be careful.
So please identify the media that you're also representing.
Abhishek from Zoom. Alia and Fawad, you both shot for the magazine, so share your experience. How was it shooting together?
I think it's a pleasure to work with Alia. In fact, I'm quite sure of that. She's quite full of energy. She's a talented performer, and that's something that is now becoming a bit of a cliche because I think it's associated with how great an actor, dancer, performer, and singer she is. So, in a magazine shoot, I've never seen her really shoot for a magazine. I've not seen many of her shoots. So, looking at that, I think she's just on her way to in a different, another trophy. But otherwise, I think this filmfare cover was supposed to be with me and Shahid Kapoor, I believe, but Alia just sort of stepped in at the last minute.
Sorry, I had to make my presence felt. It was important.
I have to also butt in that Alia is probably the fastest heroine I've seen who wraps up 5 changes in 1.5 hours, and it's true. Usually heroes take 1 hour for their hair and makeup, but she is fantastic. She takes 1.5 hours for 5 changes. She's lovely.
Notice that he did not talk.
Fawad, you are lovely. Period.
No, but I think I took a lot of time. That was one of your complaints.
Where you took time? No, I didn't take time. बेचारा Fawad was feeling very bad for him क्योंकि देख रहे हो film fair the cover he's wearing one heavy coat and all. Oh, it was so hot and Fawad was like just dying. I was feeling so bad for him. I was like, oh God. So in the name of fashion, we guys have to do a lot of things. I think you all should all clap for Fawad.
की बात है
आलिया फवाद घर घर में मशहूर है अपने सीरियल्स की वजह से, शुरुआत में, बाद में फिल्मों में आए। आपने कभी कोई इनका सीरियल देखा है कभी? और फवाद, क्या आपने कौन सी फिल्में आलिया की देखी है जो आपको पसंद है?
मैंने अवेयर ऑफ हिज सीरियल जिंदगी गुजारे, बट आई हैव नॉट मैनेज टू सी इट। बट एक्चुअली काम करने से पहले ओनली आई हर्ड सो मच अबाउट हिज सीरियल फ्रॉम माय मदर एंड हर फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज़ दे आर ऑब्सेस्ड विद फवाद कि वो इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना अच्छा एक्टर है। एंड आई हैव नेवर हैड रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम माय मदर्स फ्रेंड्स to like, oh, when are you shooting with Fawad? Okay, oh, where can we follow him? Okay, can we have his number? तो वो वाला feeling होता है. So I already understood कि okay, he is very very popular. So which is why I was also very intrigued to work with him. कि देखो क्या है ये लोग सब इतना क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? And now I understand that he is a phenomenal actor and I had probably the greatest time transporting myself in another world.
Thank you.
फवाद, कोई फिल्म देखी हो आलिया जो आपको पसंद है?
Alia's, I have seen Highway. I've seen a movie. Yeah, I've seen her. And I think she's given a tremendous performance in that film. That's the last one I can remember. I think I've seen something else. I've seen a little bit of Hamdeep Sharma, but my wife saw all of it. saw most of it. But Highway is a movie that I saw completely from start to end, and I think her work speaks for us. Her work speaks for herself as an actor. I think she's, तो मेरी हमें तारीफ करती है, but I genuinely mean that about her, that she is a phenomenal actor. I will repeat myself again, a phenomenal performer. And I think to excel in such a young age, such a fast pace, and actually be able to stand toe to toe with actors who've been working for years and years and years is quite a feat. It's quite an achievement. And she come on to you very strong. I mean, first day we shot, she just came on so strong. I was like, wow. I was not expecting this. I thought maybe we should sit down and rehearse this first. But she's so improvisational that she just immediately comes up with stuff. And then I had to sort of bounce off of that, which became a bit of a difficult thing because मुझे वैसे भी हिंदी syntax और semantics समझ नहीं आते. तो मैं आगे से line भी कोई नहीं मार सकता था.
What rubbish is talking absolute nonsense. Tell them what you don't like about me now.
What I don't like?
Tell them one.
Your over competitive nature in games.
फवाद, हाय, अली फ्रॉम मूवी टॉपिक। इंडिया में आपके इतने सारे फैन हैं, बहुत लोग आपके सीरियल भी देखते हैं। पाकिस्तान में आपको बहुत सारे फैन हो गए। जब कोई आपकी मूवी इंडिया में रिलीज होता है, क्या सेम टाइम में पाकिस्तान में भी रिलीज होता है? बिकॉज बहुत सारी मूवी पाकिस्तान में रिलीज नहीं होती है।
अच्छा, सर आपकी आवाज़ इतनी मफल्ड आ रही थी।
सॉरी, एक्चुअली इंडिया में बहुत सारे आपके फैन हैं, आपके सीरियल भी बहुत पसंद करते हैं। ऑब्वियसली पाकिस्तान में बहुत लोग आपको चाहते हैं, बट बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि सेम मूवी पाकिस्तान में रिलीज नहीं होती है। तो डू यू फील ये एक्चुअली नहीं होना चाहिए, क्या फील करते हो?
देखिए, फिल्मों का रिलीज होना ना रिलीज होना आई थिंक इज एन अनफॉर्चुनेट थिंग टू हैपन, बिकॉज यू सी दिस इज, आप रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे किसी ना किसी तरह जो फिल्म विल मेक इट्स वे इनटू दैट एरिया। सो इवेंचुअली आई थिंक ऑडियंसेस डू गेट टू सी इट। वो जो शायद सिनेमा गोअर्स हैं, जो शायद सिर्फ सिनेमा में जाके देख सकते हैं, काफ़ी एल्डरली पीपल, अब तो उनको भी एक्सेस है। दे फाइंड सम वे और द अदर, कोई डीवीडी कहीं से ले आएंगे, कुछ कर लेंगे। सो आई थिंक व्हाट ओनली हैपेंस, उसका सिर्फ नुकसान ही होता है दोनों पार्टीज को। आई थिंक कि इट इकोनॉमिकली हर्ट्स एनी पर्सन हु इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द बिजनेस। दूसरी चीज़ मुझे भी लगता है कि I understand and I completely understand why there are censorship laws in every country around the world. But do they really reflect accurately? That will always remain a question. क्योंकि आप और मैं सब के सब जब जाते हैं, हम कहते हैं कि यार ये फिल्म क्यों बैन होगी, ये इतनी ज़्यादा कट क्यों गई? अभी एक कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है कि नीचा शायद बैन हुई थी, लेकिन कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि वहाँ पे was not even presented to the censors for approval in the first place. तो ये एक बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है, but otherwise I think there's some wonderful films that are still playing in Pakistan. So unfortunately, it happens on some occasions, and I can understand the censor board. But my only point is कि किसी ना किसी तरह हर कोई देख लेगा।
Members of the media, last question.
Okay, we'll take two questions.
Yeah.
Two questions.
Hi, okay, मुझे पूछना है कि बॉलीवुड के बहुत सारे बड़े दिग्गज रीजनल मूवीज में आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि अक्षय कुमार ने मूवी बनाई है मराठी, अजय देवगन है, संजय लीला भंसाली है, विद्या बालन डेब्यू करने जा रही है अभी नेक्स्ट मंथ मराठी में। कोई ऐसी रीजनल लैंग्वेज या रीजनल मूवीज में आप एक्ट करना चाहेंगी, या आपकी कोई रीजनल फेवरेट लैंग्वेज?
Just thinking, my dad keeps pushing me to watch regional films. उन्होंने कहा था कि मुझे बंगाली फिल्म ज़रूर करनी चाहिए। But I think I've always wanted to work with Mani Ratnam. So maybe I'll go down south and I'll do south and I'll work with Mani sir too.
महाराष्ट्र कोई मराठी आप कुछ बोल सकते?
मराठी, अरे मेरे को एक लाइन दो, मैं मराठी में बोलती हूँ। मला माहित नाही, मला मराठी माहित नाही।
फवाद को बोल दीजिए तू खूप छान दिसतोस।
तू खूप छान दिसतोस।
क्या?
I know. हळू means slow, ना? But that's it.
स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर किस फील्ड की बातें चल रही हैं, तो आप सीक्वल में काम करना चाहेंगे या इंटरेस्ट है किसी सीक्वल में काम करना?
हम कपूर एंड सन्स का सीक्वल भी बना सकते हैं, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात करते हैं। हो सकता है, should be made a sequel.
Okay, Fawad, Alia, we have some lucky customers of Reliance Digital who have got a chance right here to come up for a photo opportunity. So can you please